Hey all, what's up? Today let's have some fun with a nice homemade spinach dip, and there's really no way to mess this up, and it's always delicious. This recipe will be part of the Crazy Casseroles 2022 collaboration hosted by Jimmy Dick's International Eats. Check out all the other recipes for this collab and let's get started. So in this boiling pot of water, add in all of your spinach and we'll quickly cook it up for about a minute or two until the leaves have wilted, and then drain it and transfer it to an ice water bath that'll help shock the leaves and keep that nice green color. In another bowl, add in your cream cheese and then add in your sour cream as well. This is just about a cup of sour cream. Then add in most of your mozzarella and your Parmesan in here, along with a bit of garlic, which I've minced. And then these over here are fried onions. And you can keep it like whole like this, but I'm gonna put it into a mortar and pestle and then just kind of beat this into a less coarse version, just so we have less of a bite. And this just looks perfect. Add that in there. And of course, if you really want, you can substitute the deep fried onions with onion powder as well. It just won't be the exact same flavor. Now going back to our spinach, let's just drain this. And now we need to kind of squeeze out excess water from the spinach. Just squeeze it. And now add this into your bowl along with some salt and some pepper. And now just mix this really well. Then you'll get a mixture that looks beautiful just like this, and this may seem super tasty to you already. Transfer this now to our casserole. Just divide that up. Just portion this out here now. Just make this nice and even. And now very similar to our buffalo chicken dip, we'll top it with some more cheese. So I'm gonna add mozzarella first and then the rest of your Parmesan. My oven is heating at 350 Fahrenheit. Let's bake this until it's warmed through. We don't have to really cook it, so until the cheese is molten basically. And I'm also gonna add in my ciabatta for warm up. And then after 15 or so minutes in the oven, the cheese should be nice and molten, and a few seconds under the broiler, you'll have this beautiful top. And I think that broiling part, while it's optional, it just helps take this dip to the next level. Just take a look at this completely delicious, a nice, wholesome package. And I love how it's so light, so easy to prepare, and it's just one less thing for you to worry about when making a nice app. Click the links down below. Maybe you'll find something that you might enjoy and love. And for more videos just like this, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one.